Are you on your phone again?
Yes, I'm talking to Maria.
Wow, you're always online.
Well, yes, our teacher gave us a project to do, and we are planning how we'll do it.
I see. It is useful. But I'm worried. You spend so much time online. Sometimes I think you can do more things offline.
I can tell you what I do online. It's all very interesting and useful.
Okay.
Look, I have some apps that help me learn English. Here's my Instagram. I follow some interesting people who post about English, traveling, food and animals. I often chat with my friends. We are very busy at school, so we can't talk as much as we want. I also play some games sometime.
That is very nice. I like that picture of a strange animal you just showed me.
Yes, it's called capybara. They live in Central and South America.
That is very interesting. But I think we all need to set a limit of phone use every day.
Can we talk about using my phone and being online?
Okay.
I understand you worry about me and want me to do different things.
Yes, I don't want you to look on the screen all day. It's bad for your eyes.
Don't worry. I promise to use my phone to do something useful and interesting.
You need to spend some time without your phone. Maybe we can make some rules?
Okay, what rules?
Let's think together. We don't look at phones when we eat. Don't play too many games. And please, don't talk to people you don't know online.
Okay, I can do that. Also, we can have a no phone time at the evening and talk and play board games together with that.
Oh, that is a great idea. We can do it today.